What? 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 Well, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, you know. Hey, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You know what I come to represent, you know it go already. Full effecting, man. Know it go when you load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion. Watch out, man. You know the people's champion. What you mean? You know a Gaza favorite. You never know that? You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man. Right now in the Gaza nation, the world boss say when him drop a road, you know, him a open up the door for all young youth, you know, who willing, you know, to come dominate dancehall, you know. Yeah, the boss say him a open up the door for all young talent who want to make a career out in a dancehall when him drop a road. That the world boss say. So right now the man say I'm going to take him talent somewhere else, you know. So here we go on. I don't know, you know, if the world boss are going to start the rap, hip-hop, R&B, gospel, reggae, rock and roll. You know what I mean? Me don't know because I have to remember the world boss versatile, you know. Probably all opera the man start do. Who knows? The world boss a versatile artist, you know, say the world boss a alien brain business. This is when I deal man, they can do anything when put in mind to once it have to do with music. You see what I deal with? Because don't forget that the man write the big song Gideoncy. You know what I mean? We sell gold around the world. You see me? I remember, you know, don't forget, you know, the first album Rihanna do. Don't forget to the world boss into it with their writing shit. You see me? And people not even know all them stuff there. You see what I deal with? So right now, Gaza Nation, the world boss step on a different magnitude right now. So, you know, say, well then, we have to go rise up. We have to go rise up a next king in the dancehall from the Gaza. I don't know if the crown should go to popcorn after the world boss finish with it. Or a sicker I might come get it. Or a UTG them I come get it. You know what I mean? But all me know say once the world boss done with it, it have to be a Gaza artist. I run it off. You see what I deal with? A real way. I have to remember say when you see the world boss done with it, all uno look wanna call them runner up. All uno look runner up and make artists. Uno run come quick and fast it. But uno don't forget this. The world boss a real walking, talking legend. And remember, you know, when the world boss done with this thing, you know, if no boy can't dominate dancehall for 2 decades, him can't chat to them man there. You see what I deal with? Yeah. Because you have to remember, the man they are not made artists. You see me? The man they not come in on music for make money. And music call him and full him up on money. You see me? Because the man do music as him habit. You see what I deal with? You know see Buju Banton. Man they are real walking legend. Because watch ya. In the 90s, Mad Cabra come. A prison oval say my challenge Buju Banton because him wicked, like say more wicked like Ninja Man them time then. And when him come for Buju Banton as the hottest artist and rip off all them wicked stuff them and them shit and think him have the place. Buju Banton come up and tell the people them say no. Him is not a clash artist, you know, him just come for do film song them, you know. And when the man sing Blackening, Browning, you know, and Stamina that day, and Bogle and all of them sitting there, mirrors clad. Prison oval bun down flat. All the prisoners them a light fire with newspaper push through the local hole them. What I say? The man flatten down prison oval. And a clash tune the man a do. And the first you ever see that in a dancehall. You see what I deal with? You know see Shabba try that. against Ninja Man. When Ninja Man run up on him and go on wicked, him start rip off him girl hits them and think him could have do that. Boo the people them boo him that. Shabba Rankin ball living in the water. Ninja Man mash him down. You know, wickedest to the lowest level. Him couldn't believe it. Yo, we're not gonna show go on again in my bridge. Yo, let me tell you something, in the 90s when, you know, 10 Star I go Reggae Sun Fest in my bridge. When I come back from Reggae Sun Fest in my pocket, them can't hold money, you know. We have to tie them like a gun and put on a chain in my brother. And I'm not a joke thing, you know. You know, if you know what I go on in my bridge. The general, the 10 Star one I represent.